All right, so let's get this packaged, unboxed. I'm excited to see what it. Oh, I'm excited to see what it is. Some wheels, RC car wheels. What are they? RedSpiders. Silver. They're not shiny like I thought they would be. Let's get them out the box. I like the RedSpider boxes. These are really nice. They feel quality build. I like it. Oh, stand up. There you go. Ooh. These are 12mm hexes. Is that metal? I believe I bought the metal ones. Yes, that's metal. They are not glued, so you gotta glue them yourself, but they do come with foam inserts, if you can see the foam in there. Cool, like that. That's great. They seem to be well balanced. Really good. I like them. I don't know what car I'm gonna put them on. Those are really nice. Those look really nice. Are they directional? So yes, they're directional. These two goes different ways. You see this one goes that way, and this one goes that way. So you got two left and two right. But these two should be the same. Yep, the pattern goes that way. And then these two should be the same. So these will go on the left side and these will go on the right side. So they all facing the exact same way. I like them. What do you guys think? These are for 1/10 scale RC car on the road, or possibly even rally. I believe they would be 64mm. And they don't have it marked off. But there's the box art. Box art is cool. RedSpider Outdoor Exploration. www.rs-rc.com. Nice. Tell me what you guys think about them. Those are really nice. Alright, so the rim is 2 inches, and for metric it is 5.1 centimeters. That's 51 millimeters. That's rim to rim, and then tire to end the tire is 64. Nope, 65 actually. 65 millimeters, 6.5 centimeters, and for inches that is just about 2.1 inches. Then we have the width of the tire is 1 inch, approximately 1 inch. And for the metric system, it is just over 2.5 centimeters. So I would say 26 or 25.5 millimeters. And it's 12 millimeter hex. Yep. The standard to 1/10 scale hex adapter with foam inserts. Hope you can see that. It does have foam inserts and directional. They're directional tires, so you got 2 left and you got 2 right. These are the RedSpiders 1/10 scale on-road racing tires. You can use them on Tamiyas, TTO2s, Traxxas, on-road cars, 1/10 scale. WL Toys, 1/12 scale, and 1/10 scale buggies. You can use them on them. I like them. They're not chrome, they're more of a just gray. Really nice. Really good grip. Really good grip. You ain't gonna miss no turns with these. I mean, what else would I want to know about tires? They're not glued. They're not glued. They are metal. They are metal. Aluminum. They are nice. The link to the wheels will be in the description below or in the comments. Go ahead and get you a pair from Amazon. I believe they were $30 for a 4-piece. Disclosure: I do receive income at no cost to you by you purchasing these RC wheels. No extra cost to you. So please go ahead and support. See what RC car I install these on next. RedSpider Outdoor Exploration 1/10 scale RC wheels.